Okay. Sorry for the video quality, it's a bit dark, but this is what I got to work with anyway. Just showing you guys a couple of new padlocks that I picked up. This is an asec 90mm sliding shackle padlock. She's a bit of a beast. This shows you don't know what asec is. It's Aldridge Security is the name of the company. They are Manchester and London based. One of our main suppliers. This is a 90mm sliding shackle padlock. Usually found on gates and shutters, etc. Some of the smaller ones are actually used for wheel clamps and stuff by the DVLA. Just saying. This particular one, for some reason, I'm not too sure why, but it uses a Corbin profile key and cylinder. Show you it operating here very smoothly. Whatever is usually clamped on in here is closed, so you have no access for cutting. That's why it's shaped like this. When the key is out, can't close it, so no accidental locking this onto anything. Okay, we're going to see if we can open it without the key. And you must be thinking, such a beastie lock like that, you couldn't possibly open it. It must be really good, because it's quite expensive also. However, we know better. We can start off with a rake here, I guess. And what raking is a kinetic attack, where not much skill needed at all. Apply a little bit of tension on with the tension wrench, and then just go ham on the pins, really, with a weird wiggly shaped pick. Okay, I've never done it that fast. That was a bit stupid. That was crazy. Let's just do that again, because that was a bit crazy. So she is locked up. The shackle not going anywhere. We'll put the tension wrench on slightly, and then just brush in and out on the pins in the lock. No skill required for this, really. It does help to know about what tension you're putting on and anything like that, but other than that, there it goes. Okay, I'm not going to single pin pick this because I want to move the video on. We've got a couple of cisa padlocks here. Now cisa, in my opinion, are further up the chain in padlocks as far as security goes. This one's not even been open yet, I've just ripped the box open. That's a 20250 cisa padlock. For you lockies out there, you'll know this one is on the profile of a CIDL or a CS206 key blank. It is a 1, 2, 3, 4, only a 5-pin lock. It's got razor sharp edges on it, that's a bit dangerous. I suppose, well, we're not going to check if it works because the keys are actually stuck to it, so we'll just get straight in. Tension wrench fits in nicely. We can try with the rake again, not much room in there though. I'm not expecting much from a cisa as far as raking goes, because I know there must be security pins in this. Trying rocking, raking. No. I'm feeling nothing. So it gets a bit more technical. I'm going for the medium hook. Now this one we manipulate each pin individually until we get an audible and feelable click. And we just just move down the stack until we find the next pin. In this case feels like 4. Clicked and moved slightly. Now it's pin 1, and now it turned around slightly into a false set. So the next pin we're looking for should move the cord backwards, and it's pin 3. We've got to click back into the false set. Start from the front again, go down the stack to feel which one moves it backwards. Now we're on pin 2. Rotating backwards, click, and then back into the false set. So now we know that 1, 2 and 3 is all picked. 4 is picked, so we're right to the back for 5, should be the last pin. I'm getting counter rotation, click, and the lock is open. Sweet. Okay, just to beef the video a bit, we got another padlock. It's the same make, same size cisa padlock, but if you know anything about lock picking, you know every lock picks differently, so we'll just get straight into it. See if we can get it any quicker. I'm not going to talk you through this one, we're just going to pick. She is. Gosh. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see some more videos suggesting which locks I might want to pick, let me know. And I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra!